Hello everyone, welcome to AK Education. This is Lakshmi Maji and today we will discuss about general knowledge. First question, who was the first Chief Minister of Odisha? Answer, Hare Krishna Mahatab. Second question, who was the founder of Mohima Dharma? Answer, Mohima Gosai. Next, the first Oriya movie, Sita Bibaha, was released in the year? Answer, 1936. The Jagannath Puri temple was built in the year? Answer, 1161. Next question, when was the super cyclone held in Odisha? Answer, 1999. Next question, when was Sambalpur united with Odisha? Answer, 1936. Which poet is known as the Kabi Samrat? Answer, Upendra Bhanja. The famous war of Kalinga was fought in the year? Answer, 261 BC. According to Trikehi Firoz Shahi, present Odisha was known as? Answer, Jajangar. What is the name of foreign historian who divided Kalinga into 3 divisions? Answer, Pliny. Who is known as the father of Oriya prose? Answer, Fakin Mohan Senapati. According to Ramayana, name of Odisha was? Answer, Kalinga Gangra. The Somavanshi coin found in Junagadh contains the image of? Answer, Gajalakshmi. Which dynasty marked the turning point of Odisha coin? Answer, Ganga. The Prajamandala at Grihamal in 1938 formed under the leadership of? Answer, H.K. Mahatab and Sarangadhar Das. What is the average rainfall of Odisha during the rainy season? Answer, 200 cm. Odisha comes under which coastal zone of India? Answer, Utkal Plain. Odisha shares its boundary with how many states? Answer, 4. What is the wettest month in the Odisha? Answer, July. Thank you.